The title of the piece is Journey into Possibilities. And so my idea was that this would be a piece that flowed from the reception area all the way to the advising suites. And the idea of movement that the students take as they travel or journey from adolescence to adulthood. This particular space, I think, is a very powerful space for students because it helps them navigate this whole 4 years that they are attending school. Giving them something that was calming and sort of spoke on different levels, I thought was what I wanted to bring. Also wanted to portray symbols from various cultures so that there was this idea that people from all sorts of backgrounds are supported in this advising center. I'm very involved in community artwork, in peace and social justice. And so those are some of the people whose their methods and their thought processes is what I've tried to follow. So I hope they see some of the different symbols in there, that they relate to some of them depending on how they interpret it themselves, because I think my interpretation is one thing, but for them to bring their own experience and interpretation to it. And hopefully they feel a sense of, calmness or encouragement from this journey or this metaphorical sort of flowing journey.